What's the meaning of courtesy call? Courtesy call. Courtesy call.
Courtesy call. Courtesy call. A courtesy call is a visit, phone call, or other form of communication that is made out of politeness, rather than necessity. It is usually made by one person or organization to another, often as a sign of respect or to establish goodwill. The purpose of a courtesy call is not to conduct business or negotiate a deal, but rather to exchange pleasantries and maintain a positive relationship. The goal is to leave a good impression and build a mutually beneficial rapport between the parties involved.